Hello, so finally this is like day 2. So room ka tour I will shortly cover. Glimpse little bit here, but we will cover soon. And the entrances part is not covered. Other videos you will get to see about the different areas of Taj Tech in Hyderabad. But as of now we will just take a room tour, the entry part and everything, and then probably today afternoon we will be checking out. And yeah, let's see how the room and the corridors and everything, the glimpse will all be there in some pictures and snaps. But apart from that, the room tour I will definitely give right from the entrance. So you will I will insert a lot of pictures in the video as well. So if you really wanted to visit Taj, it is very good. The buffet system and everything I would say is not that good, but I would prefer if you come here and if you eat, then I would always prefer that be specific what you want to eat. Again, it depends from which region you belong. For example, there are a lot of people who loves English food. There are a lot of people who would love North food. So it depends which food you love. You can tell according to your taste, and you have to be very clear what you want to eat. They will definitely be telling you will provide you what you want. Again, there are a lot of people who come from different part of India. So for example, you are somewhere who belongs to Hyderabad, you will get your favorite cuisine, whatever is the special over here. But for example, I reside in Hyderabad, but I'm not basically from Hyderabad. So again, I would definitely love a different taste. So we have informed our own taste. They have made according to that. If you are someone who coming outside Hyderabad, they will also treat you with something special which is of Hyderabad. So overall experience was really good. I'm not using any mic, so might be the volume is a little low, but yes. Having said that, there is no noise. The waterproof, the soundproof rooms are there, so I don't think there is any voice which is coming from outside to inside or from inside to it will not go outside. So they have taken a good care of all the privacy and everything. Even if you're watching TV to the loudest of the sound, it will not go out. That is for sure. So things and everything is really good. They do take care of your of the guest. So in that way, it is good. So again, this is not a sponsored video. This is something which I am doing because I love to have a memory of everything. This is again not sponsored. However, there are a lot of other aspects that I will be showing before checkout. So it is like we have few hours to check out, because again we will be working from tomorrow. So I had a week off from till Monday as well. So yes, let's see what else yet remained to cover as far as Taj is concerned. So let's see. So this is what the entrance is. This is the room. For some security reason, I won't be able to let you know the room number, though we are checking out, but still, as soon as you enter, you will be guided with a map. Again, you will be guided with some tags. The card system is normal, which is in every hotel. You'll get a proper wardrobe where you can keep in your luggage, proper wardrobe to take your clothes and everything. So the wardrobe will be sliding, and this side again you have a proper this kind of locker in case of any expensive things. Then we have a laundry bag and the menu and the switch for the kettle. Then this area comes the entrance. This is the restroom. Here you will be provided with a kettle, a lot of varieties of tea and everything. This is me. So tea will be there. There will be 2 mugs for corona purpose. You will be getting this kind of mugs. All the water bottles will be there. And on top of that, you will be provided with a green tea, sugar free will be there, masala chai, then coffee and everything. We have consumed a lot, so please ignore that. And then as we move, this area will be there to put your luggages. Along with this, you will be having a drawer. So this is really good. Everything will be there. You can put in your luggages, and then this is somewhere the room is. You'll give in study table, chair, the sofa, the bed with a good headboard. The color of the headboard is really nice. I really like it. Then both the sides table lamp will be there, and this is what it is, a view to outside, a beautiful flat screen, I think 36 40-inch, which is TV. By the way, one more thing, in Tata Sky will be provided, and all the channels you will get. So with HD, to be honest, this person is specifying to put HD lover. I don't know why. Without HD, he doesn't get life. His life is waste. Yes. So yes. So as we move, this is study area. If you come for business purpose, the best thing is you will be provided notepad. Now I didn't came for business purpose. This is completely personal. I do not have any business requirement to come to Taj. That is for sure. So this is not at all a business trip. It's a complete personal trip. If it is business, I wouldn't have even covered that. So here we will be having a view of the city, not from the top but just the normal view. The interiors and everything is really nice. This particular thing is so comfortable. Please ignore the mess. But this is really comfortable. If you really wanted to sit and work, you can do this. It can be your personal work, YouTube ka work, jo bhi work hai, you can do it. Very decent furnitures, not so much to do, but very decent. Bed is very comfortable, so this person never moves out of bed. His entire life is in the bed. Sir, your entire life is in the bed.
Yes.
I don't know, he doesn't get here. This is very comfortable. The chair which comes with the study table, this is very comfortable. But ये व्यक्ति है ना, ये हिलता ही नहीं है बेड से. पता नहीं बेड में क्या है. It's not, yeah, but again the bed is super comfortable, everything is good. But इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि बंदे हिले ही ना बेड से. इनको काम भी बेड पे करना है, सब कुछ बेड पे करना है. No negative, no non-veg का sense, please, it's a straight talk. And then this is a corridor with lights. The light system is really soothing. So very minimal light, आँखों को भी नहीं चुभे, बॉडी को भी नहीं चुभे. So very simple. Again, you get a full length mirror over here to dress up. Dressing table, you can use that as a dressing table, study cum table. But again, you'll get this full length mirror also, and this way. So it's overall good. The washroom is also really good. I have to tell you, it is real good. Very you will get a hair dryer, so I'll just move. You will get a hair dryer, which is good, very important. It is in mess, please ignore. You will be given all the accessories. The towels are pretty much fresh and everything. The bath will be there, bathtub will be there, the warm water comes in, and the normal everything is there. It's really nice. I will not get more into the detail, but it is really nice. Very comfortable. They do follow English or British, you can say. So no water is something that they want on the floor, which is again good. Indian बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So if you are planning to come with your family, please make that as a caution. Can't be done. Yes, overall this is the trip. I love the furnitures, to be very honest, and I really love the way it is so aesthetic. Curtains, yes, depending on the requirement, you can just have a shabby curtain, or you can have a thick curtain, but we want to keep it very open. It is amazing. So that's pretty much. I will also give you outer view of the entire room. The side tables are really nice. It's very broad to keep बहुत कुछ सामान, I don't know what all, but yeah, it is very good. I love the furniture, by the way. And also want to specify this lamp shades. They are so good that you don't need bigger lights. So we have three as such. One is this, one is this, and the other one is this. And the smaller ones, obviously, not to mention. But when you look from here, it looks really pretty. The AC is something which is here. It can be operated with the knobs. Yep. You get a mini fridge, so just in case you want to have something chilled, that's there. You can definitely go ahead and use it. It is really good, but we was not intending for alcohol and anything, so we do not have, but you can definitely have. You just right behind this, as in iske niche, you have the shelf to keep a lot of stuff, so you can definitely fit in it. And yes, that's pretty much. I think I have covered all the corners. I really love this particular view.